In this episode of Fun with Linux, we're going to be talking a little bit about snap packages. Now, the reason I want to talk about snap packages is not because I want to start some kind of debate and I want to get everybody going about how they hate Ubuntu and they hate Canonical and they just wish everyone would use Flatpaks. This isn't about that at all. This is about how do you get these snap packages, these things that everyone who's on Ubuntu, Canonical and everybody, how do we get those to work on other Linux distributions? This is going to be a walkthrough on how to get this going for yourself, and also you'll hear my opinions on the whole snap packages debacle and all that. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my Linux desktop. I'm on my Arch Linux desktop. So by default, I don't have any ability to install snap packages on my own. I have to get it going manually. On Arch Linux, this is very easy. You just have to install a package from the AUR, and I will go through that in a second. But I just wanted to highlight this article that I wrote a couple of months ago. If you're looking to get this going on your Debian or Arch Fedora or the source code, go to the description and I have a complete write-up. I do this all the time, guys. You can follow my writing too if you want. But I've got a complete tutorial on how to get this going for yourself. And again, this is the main reason I love Arch, right? Because check this out. Snapd, there we go. And you know what? You don't even need anymore. You don't even need the snap package to be installed with the AUR package anymore. So it's even easier now. First, start off, and this just pretty much works with any Linux distribution that uses systemd, but and once we do that, start it up, get these out of the way. And Telegram is usually the best example. And there you go. I've got a snap that I can search for Telegram. I could search for, what's another good example? Music. Press the wrong button. I can install a lot of these. Like, there's Dead Beef or Gmusic. Like, there's a ton of different things here. And you can easily get this running just on something that you would not think would be running snap packages. Now I'm going to show you guys, as soon as the snap gets installed, exactly what's going on here, because some of you might not exactly know what a snap package even is. And it's like a mini archive or container of some kind with everything an app needs to work, and it's contained inside its own little snap, quote unquote. And this means that apps can work independently of the operating system, which is great, because if I'm on Arch and I have the 4.8 or almost 4.9 kernel at some point, and I've got really new libraries, but there's a program that just doesn't work on these new libraries, it can just come with its own libraries in a snap and anyone can use it. As you can see, the snap that I installed is mounted like a loop device. So if you've ever mounted like an ISO or something like that, it's similar to that. And everything that is in the snap package is right here. And I can actually go here, and there's every little thing that this snap needs. It's like its own computer, its own install of Ubuntu or whatever it's running on. And all the libraries, like if we go, it's packed with its own libraries. It's got media folders, and it's got an OPT folder. And importantly, it's got a snap folder, and it even has a home, and there's the Ubuntu home. So everything is housed in this snap. Hey guys, so I hope that tutorial really made sense. It's something that is moving very fast in the Linux ecosystem. It's really cool of Canonical to give us the ability as non-Ubuntu users to get the stuff going so we can experience it firsthand. Lots of content coming at you, so remember to subscribe, and I will see you next video.